Good evening one and all present here, and my name is Palak, and today I am going to telling you about which things COVID-19 has changed in our life. So we will discuss about some topics and I will tell you some deep in it, and so now we will start discussing this. So I have selected some of the topics which are done in this COVID-19 has changed. Okay, so let's discuss now. So first of all, our first is health is wealth. The first thing which COVID-19 has changed in our life is health is wealth. That you can understand with the example that in the COVID-19, before the COVID-19 pandemic, we were all whenever we have any of the disease like cough, fever, anymore, we just take any medicine before the doctor suggestion, and sometimes we have side effects and sometimes not. But when we have side effects, sometimes then also we don't go, we just take another medicine, or then we go for the doctor's suggestion. But in this pandemic, one thing is changed, that people taking any medicine before of any disease, they are taking first of all the doctor's suggestion. Okay, and one more thing it is done in this pandemic, that every time in the schools we learn a slogan which is health is wealth. We just learn it and remember it, and whenever in exam or something where we should write it, we can write it. For remembering we should write it, but we do not understand the meaning of this slogan. But COVID-19 has explained us the meaning of this slogan, that health is wealth is not just a slogan, it is a thing that we should apply in our life. Okay, so now we will discuss about the second change COVID-19 has done, that is work from home. Okay, so first of all, before the pandemic, people just go in office, do their work and just done. They have no more work there, and they were having no more information about the technologies which are developing them. And that's why when the pandemic came, people started doing the online work, and sometimes it was difficult to understand the old new technologies which has come, because we were using the old technologies which we already know, but we started using in this new technologies. Like one is an example, that whenever in classes also, when in school, we go in school and then we study face to face to teacher and students, but there was no video conferencing and there were no need also. But now there is video conferencing classes. And second thing also, the people who are going to office also, they are also starting doing video conferencing, and there are many apps also for video conferencing, Google Meet, Zoom, Bharat Meet and more. And not only this, people started doing online payment, online banking, online shopping, and everything they started doing online. Okay, and just you can say that everything is online, and this is also a positive thing COVID-19 has done in our life, that if this COVID-19 pandemic has not come, then India would take most time to come in the technologies, because in this pandemic we have to quick and we have to catch the technologies for our today uses. Okay, so now we will discuss about one more change done in our life which is most important, about the environment. So before we will discuss about the environment, I will show you two pictures of a same place. Yes, this is a photo of India Gate before the lockdown, and it was a normal normal picture. Not only from an image we can see it blur, but even real eyes we can also see it a blur only. So, and in the lockdown also one change is done in this environment. This is the picture of the time when the lockdown was there. I will show you both the pictures together also for understanding more better. You can see before and after. Okay, so you can understand by this only that how much lockdown has get a benefit for the environment, for the nature. And not only this, I will like to give you one more example of Italy also. That in Italy one lake was there, in that some dolphins were there which can't be seen because they are under the water and we can't see. But in the lockdown, the crowd was not there and the dolphin can be looked from under deep in the water too. This is an example of Italy. So you can understand, not only in India it is changed, in full over world the environment is changed in this lockdown. Okay, so now we will discuss about one more change which is coming, which is already came, that is change in culture and going towards the old culture. So first of all, before we can discuss something about the Western culture. First of all, that in Western culture, whenever people meet each other, just handshake, kiss and necker each other. Here is necker each other means, in Hindi we say that gale milna. Okay, so they just necker each other, handshake and kiss. This same culture was coming in India also. Okay, this culture was a Western, so they should do because that is their own culture. But this same culture was coming in India also. But a good thing was there that this virus has stopped this culture coming in India. In fact, in full world is now doing one more Indian culture, which is Namaste. People started doing it. And in India also, people have left that handshake, kiss and necker each other. They just started doing Namaste because this is a Indian culture also, and this is an old culture which was going back when we were succeeding in our years. We were just going in Western culture. Okay, and one more which was the old culture, you can say that whenever anybody in our house come from outside, just wash their hands, wash their face and wash their legs, and then they touch anybody from their house. And this spreads less virus to the people living in their house. And also they are sanitizing the things which they brought from outside, or people are lefting some things outside for some times. So this was a big change for us in this COVID-19, and by the time how we have succeed also, we have just started doing this. And now we will discuss about independent India. Independent India. First of all, what do you mean by independent India? India has already independent 74 years ago. This year 2021, we are going to celebrate 75. What is independent? Independent here is self-dependent. India was going self-dependent now. And first of all, before succeeding in this, I just like to tell you that Narendra Modi ji was not the first Prime Minister who said that we should be self-dependent India. We should started doing self-dependent India. And this self-dependent India is not a slogan for just PM Narendra Modi said. All the Prime Ministers came in India, all they have said this. But no change has done. But this year COVID-19 has just suddenly everything was closed, and we have to do this. If we will not have done this that time, then we would be not getting our needable things which we should need in our day-to-day life. Like some are still using that masks, means blue mask which are there to protect, like N95 are still using, and that's why the government is supplying them. And if you say the cotton masks also, any other thing also, in our India it's own made. Okay, and like this India getting independent from the Western countries from which India getting things for small things also. Okay, and here one more example I would like to give you, that a slogan is there that India is bringing more and selling less. Before it was a slogan, because every country in the world just taking those things, those nuclear things they are taking, and they were not giving any of the attention towards the medical side. But this COVID-19 has said that everything is important in the life, and medical is also as well as an important thing in our life. So we discussed today about the things which are changed in this COVID-19. The COVID-19 has changed many things in our life, that we today, when we realize those things, just remember that though we started doing those things which we just think we will not able to do it. Okay, so that's all for the video, and I have also made one more video on the same topic in Hindi. I will give the link in the description box, so you can visit that video also if you want in Hindi. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and have a great day.